So when Vinylmax decided to license the FlexScreen technology to manufacture the product ourselves, the major problem that we were looking to solve was to reduce our lead time to our customers. When innovation is available to us, when there are upgrades that are available to us, we like to lead and grasp that opportunity with both hands and run with it. I've always considered us to be an industry leader in technology and customer experience and the experience that we're providing for our employees.
The automation of FlexScreen is the future of screens. Screen industry is going to change, and it might take some time, but it's going to change. The aluminum screens is not going to last. I believe FlexScreen is going to take over.
And I would highly recommend it. The output that you can put out with the amount of people you have is amazing. Product is very good, and it's brand new, and I like it. It's definitely a change, and from what I've seen from aluminum screens to what I see now is it's a better change. When it changed over and everyone could see how fast it was coming, because as soon as it got in here, everyone was like, oh my God, this is crazy. And the speed and everything, morale skyrocketed. Everybody around it wants to be a part of that team.
We've had a great experience implementing FlexScreen technology and bringing that automation and manufacturing into our facility. It's given us time to have control over all elements of our manufacturing process while offering upgrades to our product. So I think that if someone is thinking about licensing themselves as a FlexScreen manufacturer, it's a great opportunity to really bring a great product to market.